can't stop wondering. Do you think about where you're running from? Where you running from? Hey, where you running from? Where you running from? Think about where you running from.
Yeah, it's been a while, but I keep it going. Cause I ain't done yet, so don't get it backwards. Potion 2, on my point of view, I'm going bananas like I'm in the zoo. I'm keeping it 100, yeah, I keep it real. Keeping it 100, yeah, you know the deal. Life moves. We're at Wascana Lake. This is
Wascana Rehab.
This is it.
It's Wascana Rehab.
This is Wascana Rehab. This is pretty much, what's her name? Queen Elizabeth's garden. This is her garden. This is her garden. I read it.
How did you know that?
Because you gotta read it. Look, they're renovating it. But this is their legislation. But you know, like when you have your own house, you have your own garden, you have your own kitchen. But when you're super goddamn rich, you have your garden somewhere else. Here, love, can we walk over there? I'm gonna read it off to them. Watch this. See, I wasn't tripping. Queen Elizabeth's garden. What the? Why is this?
You weren't lying.
Why is this shaky? See, this is her garden. This is hers. I told you, I was reading the map. Anyway, I guess there's no garden right now because they're fixing it. It's supposed to be here.
They're ready for winter.
All right. Good morning, ladies and gents. Today we're gonna mic up. There's gonna be a microphone because it is windy here in Saskatchewan, Regina. Super wind, 90 to 100 kilometers. The weather here right now is actually 47 Celsius. Don't know what that means, but it's pretty cold. Uh-oh, is it raining? Uh-oh, is it snowing? We'll see about that. So today, even with this ugly weather, if I were to leave today, I would have got canceled. My flight would have been canceled. It's too windy. Flights are not happening today. Buildings or stoplight are falling down. Some houses are collapsing here. It's a true story. Love, you showed me a picture on Instagram. Is that real or not? Why you
Yeah,
Sometimes
it's a garage.
White City.
Look at that. The wind is strong. The wind is powerful at the moment. It's crazy. Anywho, just want to be home in this beautiful weather. We're gonna eat some sinigang na super sour, like bad. So we're gonna go buy the supplies. We're gonna buy some meat. We're gonna buy some ingredients to create this beautiful soup. Relax. I don't think we're gonna do much. I leave in like 24 to 48 hours. Yep. I said it just like that. Yep. That hurts, huh? I'm leaving in 48 hours. So clock starts now. This is the end of my vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Tita, when I upload this, hopefully you watch it. The trees, guys. It is windy. Wow.
Super windy.
God damn. Look at all these people. Oh my God. Look at all those druggies. They got forerunners up in this bitch. Look at that. Oh, okay. I see you, fam. This is how you buy meat here in Canada. It's like, it's not in Walmart or anything. You just gotta go to like a butcher spot to buy it. Meat only. It's crazy. It's crazy. Get you the butcher spot here. This is the butcher spot. If you want to buy meat, you have to go to separate places. So for instance, this is a different one. There's a lot of these here. I'll be back. Told you the wind is crazy. Off to the next locationes. Okay, what's over there? Like the vegetable and stuff, right? I gotta show you all these crackheads right here. Watch. Right there, look. One is sleeping right there. One is drugged out right here. All drugged out. Don't do drugs, kids. When you're watching this, I hope you guys are motivated. I hope you guys are learning every single day and trying new things, and you know, accomplishing new goals every single day. Don't do drugs, man. It's not fun. It's not even cool at all.
Next one is really good smell.
And if you guys are doing it now, try your best to stop while you're still young. And then go travel, go places, go work a 9 to 5, and then like on your and then have like a week off and go somewhere fun, like go to Regina. You know, that's where I'm at. Look what she did. Look, fucking shit. Off to Walmart. See you guys there. Back to Walmart. It's Wendy. She's right there. She's doing her thing. Oh, there's no plastic bag here at Walmart as well. I won't put you guys in my armpit because I don't want people to misjudge me here, thinking I'm doing something wrong. All right. So, love, I'm leaving soon. 48 hours.
Coming back.
Tambayan niyang ano?
He's coming back.
Nagkwentuhan.
I'm gonna let her push the cart. Look it. A robot's doing it. A robot is doing it. It's Neo. That is cool. We don't have that in the US. Ovaltine, are you good? No, you don't.
Can you buy me?
Nope. Chick boy, bad boy, stop. Just kidding, I'm done with Tim Tams.
Look, you're gonna be sad. Shit.
A chick boy, bad boy. Lunchable ni Pawi daw.
Yeah, yeah, na.
Where? I was right here.
The red one, love. She doesn't like the pepperoni.
How many of these? I saw her eat 2 today.
6.
6? I like it when I grab 6 like this. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 4. What's that? Just like that?
Yes, sir.
This is why I love vlogging in Canada, because people don't know me and I feel comfortable. Why? Love, I'm leaving in like 48 hours. I don't think we need hot dog. I want to try Logan's Paul Lunchable.
What?
Logan Paul? How many? Oh my gosh. Freaking lame.
Maybe 3 of the hot.
Oh my gosh. That's how you do it here in Canada, eh? People keep saying if Canada's milk is in a bag. That's a damn lie. It's just normal. It's not in a bag at all. Love, I thought the Canadian milk is in a bag.
Not here.
Canadian milk is not in the bag. That was a lie this whole time. To make it clear one more time, Canadian milk is not in the bag. Y'all lied to me. I was curious too. All these right here, all these carton right here is recyclable. You can recycle those. In the US, you just throw it away or you step on it and it makes that loud sound. But here, you can recycle it. However, you can't recycle the straw that's provided for it. You can't recycle the caps, bottle caps. You have to throw it away and then you get the bottle and recycle that. But not the bottle cap. In the US, you can recycle it or, you know what I'm saying, you flick that motherfucker. Now I'm gonna buy one for myself. I love these. You know that. Should I buy 2?
But it's here.
I think I'm gonna buy 2. You know, it's one of my favorite drinks. Just like that, baby. Just like that. Mic up, mic up. We're on the mic up right now, you know what I'm saying? A lot of people are looking at me. The bags here aren't free, guys. There's no free bags, or they don't sell bags at all. Look how different that is. For vegetable, you have to search it up. That's right. All right, we're out of here.
Hey, shit.
Shit, god damn it. Excusez-moi. Bonjour, je m'appelle Raph. Bonjour. Welcome to Canada, baby.
Sino ba baby. Baby ka ng baby.
Shut. Thank you, brother. Oh, were you buying that? Oh my gosh. What in the world, man? Oh shit. Crap. This is what I'm telling y'all. That's why I had to mic up. Oh my god. Ah. Ah. Oh my gosh. Whew, I told y'all. That's why I had to mic up.
Ang daming buhangin sa bibig ko.
That was fun.
No, it wasn't.
That was fun. That was a good clip for the vlog. I'm not gonna lie. Woo, baby. This is why we had to mic up real quick one time. Windy as fuck right now. I don't know why. Done. That was fun. I'm gonna rewatch this real.
Nasasakyan. Alam ko kung anong klaseng sasakyan yan.
Yeah, that's the Chrysler. Look at that. That's homemade.
Not homemade.
That has to be homemade.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Only in Canada, eh? Eh, it is, eh?
Mga walang magawa
Doon na lang, eh?
tao.
Alright, time to get messed up again by the weather, but this time we're gonna do something better. She works at Tim Hortons, so she doesn't want to go down because... Alright, let's do this. Time to get messed up. Time to get messed up part 2. Alright, y'all. Canada experiencing some heavy wind dust today. And it's messing up the day, but it's all good. I've done everything we can this whole entire vacation. Last few nights here, so I'm just trying to enjoy the time with the family. And we're just about to head out. Do you remember what to order? Because I remember. Damn, boy. Oh.
He's gonna give me $10.
The hell I'm not. We're just gonna have a little snack here before we no, can we just go home?
Yeah, we're gonna go.
Yeah, it's too bad. The wind is too bad for me. I can't handle it. Who don't love a natural Tim Hortons? I can't believe they don't have this in the US. And I don't know why. And they should. Piss me off. Love, how come they don't have this in the US?
They have it in the US, but not in California.
They have it in the US, but not in California. That's fair.
Tim Hortons. There is. Yeah, there is. But they don't have it in California.
Why? Why there's no Tim Hortons?
I don't know.
I guess it didn't do well in California, but it did good in other states in the US. Just not in California. I guess near Canada there's one.
New York, there is
New
one
York
in
Buffalo
York.
for sure, because I've seen it and I've been to it.
I think there is in Texas.
Okay, there's none in Texas.
Yeah, there is.
No, there
I
isn't.
searched that.
It's in Nevada, I think.
Tim Hortons. We'll search it up.
Wait up, you guys gotta see this. That's pretty cool. All right, back to your research.
So, see, there is Tim Hortons location.
There's a lot in the Philippines, by the way.
Oh no, there is only one in the Philippines. It's at BGC. Okay, so all locations in the United States. There is at Delaware, Indiana, Maine, Minnesota, New Jersey, North Dakota, Pennsylvania, Georgia, Kentucky, Michigan, Missouri, New York, Ohio, Texas, West Virginia.
Wow, is that ours?
No, that's ice cap. I said iced coffee.
Yeah, okay. But it might be ours.
I ordered for ice cream.
Go check your. Okay, I have it recorded. I have it recorded. You know, as a Filipino descent, after December, like, do you hear the word "burr"? The N burr. December, October. When any day, any month that starts with burr, Christmas. For Filipinos, Christmas. Don't even question it. It's already Christmas. You know what I'm saying?
So I'm moving forward. Lord.
What you running from? I can't stop wanting to think about what you running from. Stop running. What you running from? I can't stop wanting to think about what you running from.
But sometimes it ain't it, but that's just the norm. See, life is what you make it, life is what you form. We act up on the heat when we feeling warm. Or to say the least, we all misinformed. Get what you deserve, go and get that plaque. Go reserve your spot, you won't get that back. They say that life is free, but it's full of tax. It's all a strategy just to get your bags. So what you running for, who you running with? What you got in store, did you make your list? See, I don't ask for more, I don't ask for wishes. I give my boys the flower, give my girl them kisses. So kiss your boy goodnight. This is